Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add wavy animations to your text in CapCut. So first, I'm going to start by writing the text. Okay, I'm going to change the font first. Let's try this helium. Okay, let's change the style. Okay, now go to animations tab, click on the loop, then just find the wave animation. So there are like a few options of wave. This one, wave 2, let's try like that. There is also the this wave like this and super wavy. So I'm going to just try the wave and make the wave slow like this. Now you can just click on a check icon and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.